Have you ever heard of the legendary fish? It's long, silvery, and can grow bigger than a bus. Meet the oarfish, one of the strangest and rarest deep-sea creatures ever seen by humans. Oarfish are mysterious giants that live far below the surface in the twilight zone of the ocean, a place where sunlight can barely reach. Because they live so deep, spotting one is incredibly rare. In fact, when an oarfish suddenly appears near the surface or washes ashore, people all around the world start talking about it. With their shimmering silver bodies, red fins, and ribbon-like shape, they almost look like a living serpent from a legend. And that's exactly why, for centuries, they've been surrounded by folklore and mystery. In Japanese culture, the oarfish is known as the Ryugu no Tsukai, which means messenger from the sea god's palace. Fishermen used to believe that when oarfish appeared near the shore, it was a sign of change or warning, maybe even a symbol of an upcoming natural ocean changes. Of course, scientists today don't believe oarfish predict natural events, but this ancient connection shows just how powerful and mysterious these creatures are in the human imagination. So what do we really know about them? The oarfish is the longest bony fish in the world. Some can reach over 11 meters, 36 feet in length. That's longer than a school bus. But even though they look like sea monsters, they're actually gentle giants. They don't have sharp teeth or aggressive behavior. Instead, they feed on tiny creatures like plankton, krill, and small shrimp, using their toothless mouths to gently suck in food drifting in the water. Scientists believe oarfish usually live at depths between 200 and 1,000 meters, where the pressure is high and the water is cold. That's why we almost never see them alive at the surface. When they do appear, it's often because they're weakened or disoriented by changing ocean conditions. Each rare sighting gives researchers a chance to learn more about life in the deep sea, one of the least explored places. Oarfish move in a very unique way. They use their long dorsal fin, the one running across their back, to wave and glide through the water like a ribbon dancing in slow motion. That's how they earned the nickname ribbonfish. When seen swimming vertically, with their heads pointing upward and tails hanging down, they look completely otherworldly, almost like they're standing in the water. So why do oarfish come up to the surface? Some researchers think it might be linked to ocean temperature changes, currents, or natural stress. Others believe they might be following prey or reacting to underwater disturbances. No matter what the reason, every sighting feels like a once-in-a-lifetime moment, a brief connection between our world and the unknown. There have been only a handful of confirmed oarfish sightings in the past century. Every time one is found, photos and videos spread quickly online, sparking curiosity and awe. People can't help but wonder, what else could be hiding in the deep sea? So are oarfish really legendary fish? Not at all. That's just a legend. In reality, they're an important part of the ocean's ecosystem and a reminder of how little we still know about the deep sea. The oarfish teaches us something powerful. Even in the age of technology and science, our planet still holds secrets that can surprise us and inspire us. Next time you hear about a strange deep-sea creature, remember, it's not a mythical creature, it's a marvel of nature. If you enjoyed this dive into ocean mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep-sea discovery.